Hello everyone and welcome back to one more video of All Lite Food, the food goodies, and today I'm going to share 12 health benefits of soya chunks. So here are the reasons why you should eat the soya. The soya chunks are excellent source of protein and antioxidants, which helps in growth and keeps you disease free. The soya chunks are also very good source of omega-3 fatty acids, polyunsaturated fats, and vitamin B. The soya chunks are low in fat and high in fiber, keeping you full for a longer time. They also contain some amount of calcium and iron. The soya chunks boost the immune system. They also help in the growth of strong bones and teeth. The soya chunks helps to maintain cholesterol level and lowers bad cholesterol or the LDL. They are known to be helpful in osteoporosis and also helps to reduce menopausal symptoms. Because of the protein and antioxidants, they are considered good for skin and hair. Soya chunks regulate important bodily processes and finally helps to increase muscle strength. So that's all for All Lite Food goodies. Thank you so much for watching the video. Make sure to hit that like button, subscribe to the channel and click the bell icon for the notifications. I shall see you with one more video. Till then, goodbye, take care and stay healthy.